Today, we're talking about what you can get for under $400,000 in San Antonio today.
All right, guys, let's get after it. What's up, friends? My name is Jonathan. This is Trevor. We're the Alamo City Living Team. And here we talk about everything that you want to know about living in San Antonio and the entire surrounding area. We're also licensed real estate agents here in San Antonio, which means not only do we enjoy making videos for you guys, we would love even more to help you and your family with all of your real estate purchase needs. So the number popping up on the screen is how you get a hold of us. Give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email. We would love to help you and your family make a smooth move here to San Antonio.
Johnny, if I were to ask you what the median home price is in San Antonio right this very second, what would you tell me?
Well, the median home price in the entire surrounding San Antonio area is $365,000.
That is right in line with what this video is about today. We have tons of people reaching out to us every single day, and they want to move to San Antonio, and their budget is around, well, it's under that $400,000 price point,
That's
right?
right?
That is a very common price point here in San Antonio, and there is a lot that you can get for your money in that range. So today, if you've seen our other videos, you already know what's coming. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take you around a couple different neighborhoods, show you some homes right in that price range, under $400,000, to show you exactly what you can get for your money. You ready?
Let's do it.
Let's go. Guys, we are in our first neighborhood right now, and I'm actually really excited about this one, Johnny, because my wife and I had actually looked in a home in this neighborhood, but before we could even look into it and tour it, it became under contract. Now, one thing I am super excited about, and I'm kind of jealous of the people in this neighborhood, is that this neighborhood has a separate entrance into O.P. Schnabel Park. Now, it's a really big park. It's got a lot of trailways, a lot of people go and they ride their bikes. There's a gym there, there's sports fields. It's super awesome, super convenient, especially if you have kids. Now, this first home we're coming up to right now, and I'm gonna have to get it in frame because it's sitting, the way it sits on the lot is very strange. It's almost sat diagonal, but it looks really, really cool. This house was built in 1972, and it was remodeled recently. There is a really, really nice, large backyard. There's a shed in the backyard that's really, really nice. Luxury vinyl planks on the ground. It's got a 2-car garage, which is actually on the other side of this house back here. Now, it's kind of hard to see the way, again, you can kind of see the way it's positioned here. Very unique looking house. White cabinets inside of the kitchens. Inside of the bathrooms, there's a remodeled shower, which looks super nice. It's nice and white. It's got like a marble texture to it. It looks really, really cool. This house is sitting right at $365,000. And man, it's kind of a steal. This house has actually been on the market for about 35 days or so, which is kind of surprising because a house that looks like this in this neighborhood, usually they go pretty darn quick. That being said, beautiful house, beautiful neighborhood. Everybody's got super large, mature trees. I'm sure that you can see in the background over here. Very, very quiet neighborhood.
Now, this house is 2,000 square feet. Puts the price per square foot right at
$180 per square foot.
$180 per square foot. Very, very quiet. I think you just mentioned that, Trevor. This is definitely one of those neighborhoods. If you're not wanting, brand new construction and you like these nice established neighborhoods, then this is going to be a neighborhood for you. Super quiet. This is one of those neighborhoods where, families have lived here for several generations. They pass the houses down to their kids, and they do a really good job of keeping up on it. Look at this one right here. I mean, such a great job. Easily, probably early 70s, and you can tell that they keep it up real well, updated. Roof looks good, garage looks good. Even the house that we're looking at right now. Now, it does have what appears to be burglar bars on the windows. Those aren't burglar bars, okay? They're not trying to keep people out of the house. This neighborhood is real quiet. That's just the style of the home back in the day.
And if you notice too, it's only on the bottom half of the windows, so if you are a really smart burglar, you'll just go in through the top. It's not doing much, but that is the style of the home. So anyways, guys, $365,000, northwest side of town. This is what you're looking at. Beautiful home, great neighborhood. looks fantastic. You can't really ask for much more, especially when you're looking at an older home.
We're gonna drive around right now and get some footage like we always do so you can get a better idea of what this neighborhood looks like. And then we're gonna meet you guys at our second house. Let's go.
All right, guys, we are in our second neighborhood of the day, and I'm excited for this one. This is more of a new build neighborhood. They're not quite done with all the construction, but a lot of it is complete, as you can see on this street. Now, this neighborhood sits just outside the 1604 loop on the northwest side, probably about, I don't know, 15 minutes away from our first house that we showed you today. So this home is listed at $395,000. It's about 2,600 square feet, which puts the price per square foot at about $158 per square foot. And that's pretty good if you ask me, especially for a new build home. This home was built in 2022, so very new, very nice interior. It's got a beautiful gas range. It's got open bedrooms. It's got a nice covered patio, very nice vinyl plank floors, very nice home. And not to mention, as we were coming in here, we took a look at the amenity center. Dude, it's amazing. Beautiful pool. They've got like a splash pad. Very, very nice. It's like it's almost like a waterfall that they have going into it. Very nice.
And super packed today on this. What's the temperature out here today? It's almost like 90 degrees.
Hot.
Yeah.
Way too hot. But that being said, everyone's out, the kids are out, families are out having a really good time enjoying the amenity center that this awesome neighborhood has to offer. And not to mention, there is an elementary school on the edge of this neighborhood as you come in, so your kids, if you want to send them to walk to school, hey, this is one situation where you could probably get away with it and people not call the cops on you.
And this is a really big neighborhood, so it's also very, very walkable. This is one of those neighborhoods where, hey, if you like getting out, getting on the sidewalks, riding your bike, you don't have to worry about getting onto a main road. You can stay within the neighborhood, and that's always a good thing, especially on days like this. You're also very, very close to Government Canyon State Natural Area.
Right
which
over
is
there,
right
actually.
over here.
Right there.
And so that's also a really great place to hike, do just day trips. There's also some dinosaur tracks there that you can hike to, like 2 miles into the hike.
It's Johnny's footprints.
We love going out there with the family and taking the kids out there to check out the dinosaur footprints. So this is a great neighborhood to feel like you're away from, the hustle and bustle of the city and close to nature.
Beautiful home, guys. Again, $395,000, $158 per square foot. Very hard to beat. So we're gonna show you around the neighborhood, give you a good glimpse of what you're looking at here, and then we will see you at home number 3. See you then. Guys, we are at house number 3 for the day. Now, this one's really cool. This is actually the only home in this neighborhood that I could find for under 400K. So this is kind of an oddball, but it's a really, really nice home. Built in 2016, it's about 1,900 square feet, sitting at $399,000, which puts your price per square foot at $208 per square foot. Beautiful 3-bed, 2-bathroom house. Really nice interior. Everything's been updated. Very nice vinyl planks. This is it right here, as you can see right past Johnny's face. Really nice driveway, really nice kitchen. It's a gas range, which if you don't know anything about cooking on gas, you don't understand it until you actually go to do it. It makes a really big difference when you're cooking. Interior is beautiful, guys. Really open concept floor plan. Beautiful amenity center too in this neighborhood as well. They have 2 pools. One's layered up top and one is on the bottom. Really, really nice amenity center. They've got a kids park in here. I mean, they've got just about everything that you could want or imagine in this neighborhood. And while this is a new construction neighborhood, there are a couple houses remaining that have yet to be built. Most of it is done. So this is just about done, right?
Yeah, so you pretty much know what you're gonna get. Now, one of the things I really love about this particular house is the entryway. I really, really like deep entryways. Turn around here and show this house right behind us. This is another one that's for sale. This is gonna be about $420, the one right here. And you see how shallow that entryway is? And that's for $420. Now, the house that we're looking at across the street has this very, very nice deep entryway. What I love to do during the holidays is, man, you could do some great decorations on these deep entryways like this. Thanksgiving and Christmas is super, super cool. One of the other things I wanted to point out about this neighborhood is, and this is the only one that I know of in this area, it's got the horse stables.
Oh,
and
yeah.
you could do horse rides here.
That's pretty cool.
It's like $10 for like 45-minute horse ride in the middle of this neighborhood. It
Weird.
just takes you off into this, like, into the woods.
Yeah.
And you're like, I didn't even know this was here. You don't see it from the road. It's super, super cool.
It's a really cool experience, super strange. You never would think that existed here, this close to the city limits. Speaking of which, we're about a mile and a half outside of 1604 in Wiseman Road on the far west side of San Antonio. So this is an up and coming area right next to SeaWorld. So if you're a fan, great neighborhood for that. That being said, guys, that's about what $400,000 is gonna get you. We really hope you enjoyed the video. We showed you a couple different homes, couple different ages, different neighborhoods, to give you a really good idea of different styles of homes that you can bring you and your family to in San Antonio. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. It helps viewers who are looking for this kind of information find it in the future. And we post videos every single week and you do not wanna miss them.
Whether you're moving here in the next 3 months or the next
3 weeks.
Make sure you hit us up. I just said your line, bro.
I know, you
and
did.
You said mine.
You know what? Let's try this again.
See, that's how we roll. That's how we roll. He says my lines and I say his. But hey, whatever you do, just make sure you hit us up. And we would love to see you back here next week.
We'll see you guys next time. Take it easy.